Welcome back, guys. So, in our series of PostgreSQL, we are going today we are today talking about uh, how we execute a script placed at particular location in your database server or anywhere. So, how you execute it? So, I have created a file here. Okay. So, this is a table. Create table cars with ID as primary key, name, and inserting few rows in it. How we execute it? Like one way is to place all the copy all the things here and execute with this. But another thing is backslash I and then the location of this. Okay, and then the file name cars1.sql. But here you need to make one change. You need to update these slashes to forward slashes. Okay. Oops, I forgot. I need to let me copy this. I have copied it. So going to PSQL hyphen capital U hyphen D test TV. Okay. Inside your PSQL, how we execute a script placed at particular location. So that, and let's see how many tables we have right now. We have these 5 tables. Okay, so let me copy that command here. Backslash I, then the location on Windows directory with forward slashes. See, that is created. Now let's see if we have any new table. Yes, we have cars table here. Let's see how many rows we have in here. This, let's start from cars. Yes, it has 9 rows, but which is same as what we have in here. Okay, so this is how you execute a script placed at a particular location in PostgreSQL cluster inside the Postgres. Okay, so that's all for this video. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thank you.